What makes the Yamaha Electric Continuously Variable Transmission or YECVT important? It gives you stronger acceleration when you need it. Engine braking downhill. More power on climbs. Smooth cruising on long rides. The advantage of manual control on an automatic. That's the YECVT, and we'll tell you how it all works. And why it gives your ride more power, more control, more confidence, at your pace. Automatic motorcycles are convenient, but conventional CVTs are purely mechanical. Roller weights move outward using centrifugal force. That changes the pulley ratio. But this response depends only on speed, not rider intention. That's what makes the YECVT even more special. It adds electronic intelligence and rider control to the system. So you can choose when to change your pace, instead of waiting for rollers to react. An electric motor controls the primary sheave directly. This allows you to access torque sooner, hold RPM where performance matters, and create engine braking on command. When you open the throttle, the transmission control unit checks your current speed. Your engine RPM, and how quickly you twisted the throttle. Then it chooses the ideal ratio and moves the sheave into position instantly. With YECVT, you can influence how the engine behaves using ride modes. Select Sport or Touring mode, your choice. Touring mode settles engine speed, lowering to reduce noise, vibration, and rider fatigue. It's ideal for long-distance rides, calm pacing, and city comfort. The system prioritizes efficiency while remaining smooth. Sport mode keeps the RPM higher. This positions the engine closer to its torque peak for quicker acceleration. Perfect for overtakes, merges, and spirited lane changes. The Shift button allows you to select a shorter reduction ratio instantly. Each press lowers the ratio 1 level. You can access up to 3 levels depending on speed. Shorter ratio means stronger pull and higher RPM response. When you open the throttle quickly from a stop, YECVT can trigger a downshift automatically. This gives you torque when urgency matters without moving your thumb. Descending a slope increases speed naturally. Tapping Shift activates engine braking. This reduces reliance on brakes and keeps chassis behavior stable. On long descents, this prevents heat fade and rider fatigue. Climbs demand torque. Downshift moves the engine into its stronger band immediately. Prevent momentum loss and complete overtakes confidently. If circumstances change, Downshift cancels automatically. For example, switching modes, steady speed cruising, low speed rolling, or closing the throttle. Inside the case, a sliding primary sheave, reduction gears, a DC motor, and a screw shaft. These work together to position the pulley faces with precision. Flyovers, rolling slopes, parking ramps, downhill. This isn't just performance, it's daily convenience. Stronger acceleration when you need it. Engine braking downhill. More power on climbs. Smooth cruising on long rides. Exceptional control on an automatic. This is the YECVT, the power to shift. Stronger acceleration when you need it. Smoother rides when you want it.